This clip might look like a creator spent hours of dedicated filming time, but the wild part is that I didn't spend days editing or hiring a massive team of freelancers. I spent the last few months testing every content tool I could find to solve a major problem: how to actually scale short form content without burning out. I finally settled on a completely different approach, which is letting a long form video do all the heavy lifting for me. I use Vizard to automatically turn that single recording into hundreds of attention grabbing clips without lifting a finger. While other teams are stuck waiting on slow editors or scrambling to find one viral post, you can be testing dozens of versions every single week. This allows you to find your winning content way faster than anyone else in your niche. In this video, I am walking you through my full 2026 workflow for turning one long recording into a massive campaign of high-performing shorts. The result doesn't look robotic or templated at all, because it truly looks like a professional creator poured hours into every single frame. The platform I'm using is Vizard, and it is easily the most practical end-to-end tool I've used for repurposing long-form content into viral-ready clips. What I love about Vizard is that it acts as a full content engine all in one single, centralized location. You simply upload your long video, let the AI identify the best moments, and watch as it auto-edits them into standalone clips. It even handles the captioning and auto-schedules your posts, so you don't have to juggle 5 different apps just to get a video live. If you follow along with this walkthrough, I will show you how to build a full week of shorts from just one 20-minute interview. I'll include a link in the description so you can try it out for yourself as soon as this video wraps up. The first step is simply uploading your raw long-form piece, which could be a podcast episode, a product demo, or a casual vlog. For this demo, I am using a 17-minute deep dive where a creator talks about skincare routines and showcases a vitamin C serum. Once the file is in, Vizard scans the footage and generates an entire timeline filled with suggested highlights. This is where the magic begins, because Vizard's auto-editing feature is a massive time saver for any busy creator. Instead of me scrubbing through the footage for hours, Vizard automatically identifies the high-energy moments and hooks. You get a batch of suggested clips. Some are totally obvious, while others are surprisingly unique, and you can preview them immediately. It even pulled a specific moment where the creator says, "This one step totally changed my glow," which is perfect thumbnail bait. Another clip showed a quick demo where she presses drops onto her cheek, which is exactly what you want for an 8-second application clip. Vizard handles all the trimming, balances the audio, and generates a caption file so you don't have to transcribe anything manually. But here's the part that most people miss. One clip simply isn't enough to run a successful campaign. The goal is to build a massive library of variations that you can mix into ads and test across different audiences. So I take those suggestions and make a few simple adjustments, like changing the hook line or shortening the clip for different platforms. You can do all of that inside Vizard, like batch editing captions and exporting multiple aspect ratios in one go. Now let's talk about the content calendar, because it helps you stop treating posting like a one-off task and start treating it like a real strategy. You can set your posting frequency, and Vizard will automatically schedule them across platforms at the most optimized times. You can preview the whole week, drag and drop clips to reorder them, and tweak captions per platform. This is a tiny bit of setup that pays off huge, because you don't have to babysit your phone or manually export files anymore. One more feature that makes Vizard feel built for creators is the auto schedule function. Once your clip batch is ready, you pick the cadence, and Vizard cues everything for you so you never miss a post. It even handles time zone settings and ensures you aren't posting too many clips from the same long video back to back. This keeps your feed feeling fresh and engaging for your audience every single day. Okay, practical demo time. I want to make an ad style sequence that looks like a creator-made UGC piece but created 10 times faster. I follow a simple 4-step process. Upload the long video, let Vizard select the clips, refine the best ones, and export them. I usually test 2 different text overlays to see which hook grabs more attention from the viewers. Vizard makes it trivial to duplicate a clip and swap that overlay text, so I have 2 versions ready to A/B test immediately. Compare that to the old way, where you had to send footage to an editor and wait days for rough cuts. By the time your first clip was finally live, the trend had already moved on and died. Vizard compresses that entire agonizing process into just a few minutes of focused work. Other tools do parts of this, but Vizard wins because it understands the context of your footage. It ties editing to scheduling so you don't lose the strategy behind why you made each clip in the first place. It also preserves the creator's voice and visual aesthetic across all clips, so the set looks like one cohesive campaign. This helps boost your credibility and ad performance significantly with your target audience. You can even use Vizard as your testing machine to figure out exactly which opening hook works best. Finally, when your campaign feels fully polished, you just download the clips or push them straight to your socials. Your final ad set looks professional and polished without any of the heavy production costs associated with traditional agencies. So yeah, if you want to scale content like a team of editors but with a single, simple workflow, Vizard is the tool I'd recommend. Compared to stitching together a dozen tools or throwing money at expensive editors, it is faster, cheaper, and much more strategic. If you are sick of the content treadmill and want to get back to what you love, give this approach a shot. Film one great long session, let Vizard find the gems, and test 20 clips in a week without burning out. Try the link in the description to check it out and see how many clips you can get from your next recording. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one with more workflow hacks and real creator experiments.